Today, I will show how to add missed medicines, vaccines, and controlled drug names in the stock entry form. Under the Medicines page, below the Medicine Stock View, we'll find Missed Medicine Names Update. Click on the Click Here button to open the link to Google Spreadsheet. There you will find the medicine list, vaccines list, and controlled drug list. You can write specific medicines, vaccines, or controlled drug name in specific Google Sheets. You are only allowed to enter or write under green highlighted columns. Write the missed medicine's name, go to the stock entry form, and then submit other drugs. In the next entry form, you will find the medicine name that you have entered in the missed medicine Google Sheet automatically added to the stock entry form.